In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook group settings in just a few simple steps. If you're an admin of a Facebook group, you can manage different settings like privacy, posting permissions, group name, and more. These settings help you control how your group works and how members interact with it. First, open the Facebook app and go to the group you want to manage. Once you're on the group page, tap on the group name at the top to open the group details. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. This will open the group settings page where you can manage different options. Here you can change things like the group name and description, adjust privacy settings, control who can post, manage member approvals, and update other group features. Simply tap on the setting you want to change, make the adjustments, and Facebook will save the changes automatically. And that's it. That's how you can change Facebook group settings easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.